In Hyderabad, a day after the ugly clash between BRS MLA Kaushik Reddy and Congress MLA Sanjay Kumar, remember, who defected to the ruling party from the BRS, the police have filed 3 cases against the BRS MLA. But does this violent altercation in Karimnagar Collectorate have everything to do with the reality of defections from the opposition to the ruling party in Telangana? There are open threats of more defections from the BRS to the Congress after Makar Sankranti. And what does this clash tell us about Telangana's political realities? Let's listen in both to the BRS MLA and to Uma Sudhir, who puts this whole clash in perspective.
అన్నం తింటుంటే గట్టిగా దమ్ముంటే కేసీఆర్ గారు పెట్టిన భిక్షని రాజీనామా చేసి కాంగ్రెస్ టికెట్ మీద పోటీ చేయమని గెలుస్తాడో చూద్దాం. అదే జగిత్యాలో అంత పెద్ద మొగోడైతే చేయమని చెప్పు. కేసీఆర్ గారికి ఇచ్చిన భిక్షకి సిగ్గు లేకుండా ఇంకా వచ్చి స్టేజ్ మీద కూర్చొని సిగ్గు శరం లజ్జ మానం ఉందా ఆయనకు అసలు? అన్నం తింటున్నా పెండ తింటున్నా.
Sankranti is a huge harvest festival in the Telugu states, and the Congress party here is hinting at a political harvest post the festival. What the state Congress chief has said is that there could be more defections from the BRS, or rather inductions into the Congress from the BRS post the festival. That has elicited or evoked or provoked a reaction from K.T. Ramarao, BRS working president, who is in fact mocking the party, saying that you want to hold a Samvidhan Bachao rally, or rather a Constitution Save rally post Republic Day, which is in the last week of the month. And this is a great way to save the Constitution when you're actually splitting another party and taking away their MLAs. This also comes at a time when on Sunday, in fact, BRS MLA from Huzurabad, Padi Kaushik Reddy, took on BRS MLA from Jagtial, Sanjay Kumar, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, confronted him in a collectorate meeting, review meeting, where he was talking about the schemes of the government, and Kaushik Reddy asked him which party he's representing, because Sanjay happens to be one of the 10 MLAs of the BRS who switched loyalties post the assembly election. So Kaushik Reddy confronted him and asked, are you talking on behalf of the BRS or on behalf of the Congress? It almost became like a political kind of exchange, slanging match that happened, turned almost physical when Kaushik Reddy was removed by the police, taken away outside, and subsequently Kaushik Reddy said, we are not going to tolerate this, and each of those 10 MLAs who in fact had split from our party, they will be facing this kind of a confrontation from the BRS leaders. K.T. Ramarao has in fact appreciated Kaushik Reddy and has in fact said he pities those 10 legislators because they are neither being able to tell their own party, nor is the Congress able to own up to them. In a sense, the dilemma of these 10 legislators who got voted on a BRS ticket and yet are not part of the BRS, they have not resigned, and they are not part of the Congress either. This comes in a year when Telangana is going to see a lot of local body elections, municipal elections in Hyderabad as well, and Panchayat and other elections as well. And it is at this time that Mahesh Kumar Gaud has hinted at more defections from the BRS into the Congress party.